Hello, and welcome back to Coin Lady channel. As the legal battle between Ripple and the SEC nears its conclusion, which we will be reviewing with you, a crypto influencer explores how Judge Torres may apply Hinman's Ethereum analysis to XRP. XRP is already one of the top 10 most successful cryptocurrencies of the year, trailing just Bitcoin, Solana, and Ethereum. Finally, the pro-XRP lawyer's argument that the protracted legal battle has harmed the standing of Ripple in cross-border payments and prompted the possibility of counter-litigation was correct. If you want to know more, you'll have to read on until the end. If this is something that interests you, I highly recommend watching this brand new video right now. With the end of Ripple's legal struggle with the SEC in sight, crypto detective and XRP community influencer Mr. On Twitter, Huber has broached the topic of Bill Hinman's Ethereum analysis and its possible effects on XRP. Following the recent public disclosure of the document, Mr. Huber tweeted about the relevance of Judge Torres' decision to apply Hinman's analysis to XRP. Mr. Hubert first noted that Judge Torres would likely have to apply the same analysis to XRP as she did to Ethereum if she concludes that William Hinman, the former director of the SEC's Division of Corporation Finance, legitimately excluded Ethereum from the securities rule. This would mean that XRP would not be considered a security, avoiding any potential fines. Mr. Huber further argues that XRP's status as a not-security might be strengthened because Hinman's analysis did not take into account the number of holdings or the transparency. On the other hand, Mr. Huber offers a counterexample in his second argument. If Judge Torres agrees that Hinman's words could reasonably lead one to assume that Ethereum is not covered by the securities regulation, but finds that Hinman did not properly exclude Ethereum from the rule, XRP is subject to the same regulations. It's possible that this situation will end up differently. Potential fines could be imposed if XRP is deemed a security. Mr. Huber, however, points out that unfair considerations may include a lack of notice and a punishment. One crypto enthusiast who questioned the importance of the Hinman study to the SEC evidence against Ripple prompted Mr. Huber's tweet. The XRP community, he explained in a subsequent tweet, disagrees with Hinman's claims since Ripple's position, which emphasizes the lack of post-sale responsibilities, is stronger and more easily verifiable from a legal standpoint. The crypto influencer went on to call Hinman's concept of decentralization arbitrary and question its success to date. If you want to be among the first to know about breaking news, subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications. Even though the market as a whole has been trending upwards over the past week, XRP has experienced several dips, falling below the 50-cent psychological level. Despite the recent downturn, XRP is still one of the year's top 10 gainers, with a current price that is up 44% from where it began the year on a prominent price tracker. CoinGecko highlighted the year-to-date performance of the top 10 crypto assets, excluding stablecoins, in a recent tweet, drawing attention to this amazing achievement. A graphic shows that since its low point at $16,540, Bitcoin's value has increased by 84%, making it the best performer among the 10 major cryptocurrencies. Solana kicked off the trend this year, and the ensuing 70% growth so far this year has been remarkable. Despite suffering losses during November's FTX's collapse, Ethereum still managed to gain in value by 59%, placing it in third place. XRP is now in fourth place, up a whopping 44% from its lows. XRP was worth 34 cents at the start of this year. As a result of the aftermath of the Terra and FTX explosions and increasing legal pressure, the asset had a disheartening 59% decrease at the end of the previous year. The release of the Hinman emails has bolstered investor confidence in a positive decision in the Ripple versus SEC action, and 2018 has been a generally positive year for XRP. This year, Ripple has made a number of strategic expansion steps, including entering the custodial market and broadening its presence in the CBDC. Despite the pressure from the SEC lawsuit in court, the XRP rise from earlier this year was used as a springboard. In the first 4 weeks of the year, the asset increased by 20.6%, reaching a high of 41 cents. As the year continued, the larger market was hit by a bearish storm, which led to XRP lines. Despite this, XRP led a solo run in March, which was its strongest rise of the year. XRP's price increased from 37 cents on March 11th to 58 cents on March 29th because to this isolated upswing. There was a 59% spike in just 18 days. XRP has demonstrated resilience by producing 2 additional solo runs in May and June, after suffering a string of losses. The price of XRP, as reported by CoinGecko, rose by 44% in 2018 alone to reach 49 cents. This brings us to today's big question. Has Ripple's standing in international payments been harmed by the current legal battle between the SEC and Ripple? If you want to be among the first to know about any new XRP-related developments, make sure you subscribe to our channel and enable notifications. John Deaton, a well-known attorney who is representing XRP investors in the Ripple vs. SEC dispute, made a bold assertion about Ripple's role in facilitating cross-border payments in a recent tweet. Deaton claims that by 2015, when the concept of using cryptocurrency for international transactions was only starting to gain attention, Ripple was already advocating for it. However, the crypto lawyer admitted that Ripple and XRP as a whole have been severely harmed by the ongoing legal fight between the US regulator. Deaton commented that despite Ripple's strong international growth, the damage the case has caused to Ripple and XRP cannot be overstated. One member of the XRP community, among many others, responded to Deaton's tweet by advocating a lawsuit against the SEC and the United States government. The individual suggested filing a claim for financial compensation due to lost revenue opportunities and harm to corporate growth and reputation. The defamation of Brad Garlinghouse, CEO of Ripple, and Chris Larsen, chairman of Ripple, and the expenditures of defending them in court. Twitter user Rick Smitty introduced politics into the discussion, blaming Democrats and implying a planned act to protect bankers, when it became evident that someone should be held accountable for the damage inflicted. The comment did not provide any evidence, but it did share widespread concerns about the case's objectives and potential implications on the cryptocurrency business. The protracted dispute has hurt Ripple's reputation and growth, despite the company's pioneering efforts in this industry since 2015. Crypto exchanges delisted XRP because of investor and partner uncertainty induced by the case. However, as reported by the Crypto Basic this month, a pivotal judicial document has been released, signaling the end of the legal battle. Despite the legal processes slowing Ripple down, the company has made strides in the crypto industry when it comes to cross-border payments. Earlier this month, we mentioned that Ripple has joined the International Monetary Fund, IMF, to talk about easing international payments with digital currencies issued by central banks. Guys, this video has reached its conclusion. If you found it entertaining, please show your appreciation by clicking the like button. Please subscribe and enable notifications. See you later, bye.